Susie Valentine, Realtor with Century 21 Now Realty. Today we're in Corona, California, looking at this beautiful model home by Lennar Homes. Come join me in this beautiful house tour. This is a 4-bedroom, 3 and 1/2 bathroom house with a 2-car garage. Today we are viewing a 2-story model home by Lennar Homes, showcased with optional builder upgrades. This home measures approximately 2,891 square feet with an open floor plan. This spacious living room, also known as the Great Room, has an elegant fireplace, large windows, recessed lights, and a ceiling fan. The large gourmet chef's kitchen has sleek countertops, gorgeous backsplash, beautiful cabinets, and a walk-in pantry. You'll also find stainless steel appliances, such as a stove, dishwasher, double oven, and a microwave. This center island has a breakfast bar, which is perfect when you feel like having a quick meal. The dining room is conveniently situated by the kitchen and great room, with fantastic views of the backyard and a sliding glass door. The backyard is spacious and perfect for entertaining guests for barbecues and get-togethers. It almost feels like their own private sanctuary and would be such a nice spot to sit, relax, and enjoy our wonderful Southern California weather. The builder has added a tranquil outdoor living area, with a covered patio and a fireplace, which is also known as a California room. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a thing. The master bedroom suite is large and has views of the backyard and has an attached ensuite master bathroom. The master bathroom has dual sinks, a vanity, a shower, and a soaking tub. The walk-in closet has storage shelves, single and double pulls, with plenty of room for your summer and winter clothes. There is also a private water closet. If you're enjoying the video so far, please give it a like. It helps our channel and we really appreciate it. Down the hall, you will find the guest bathroom. It has a private water closet with shower and bathtub and dual sinks. The second bedroom has carpet, windows, and a closet. The laundry room is featured with cabinets, a utility sink, and washer-dryer hookups. The third bedroom has a window, a closet, and is carpeted. The powder room has a toilet and a cabinet with sink. Upstairs, you will find the large loft with a sliding glass door to the covered deck. They added a ceiling fan and fabulous views of Corona, California. There is a guest bathroom with shower and cabinet with sink. The fourth bedroom has windows and a walk-in closet. There's also a linen closet as well. This home also includes green features, such as dual glazed vinyl windows with energy-efficient low-E glass, water-conserving plumbing fixtures, LED lighting, and a tankless water heater. The home also has heating, air conditioning with a programmable thermostat.
Wasn't that home lovely? I absolutely love that kitchen. What did you think? Please comment below. And if you're interested in this house and would like more information or to schedule a private tour, please give me a call. My contact information is down below. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next video.
This gorgeous new home is truly an entertainer's delight. Let's make this house your home.